Today we are going to be looking at a very special Ferrari F8. That's proper. So, this is a Novitec Ferrari F8, and perhaps at first glance you might be saying, Bjorn, well, you know, that doesn't look very Novitec-ish. Where are the NF10s? Where are the NF11s? Where are the carbon fiber bits? But that's not really what makes this one so special. What makes this one special, in a sense, is actually the owner. That's what makes it special for me, because the owner does all the work himself. And this car has got some Novitec parts in it, some of which is very, very exciting. First of all, it rides lower on some Novitec springs, which he put in himself. Second of all, this car has got a complete straight pipe Novitec exhaust system. Again, that the owner fit himself right here in the back. And then it also has the N-Tronic power upgrade. It also has an aftermarket intercooler, and all of that means that it now gives you about 830 horsepower. Which is a very exciting number somewhere in the middle of Dubai on slightly sandy tarmac roads. But I think come around this side, what helps the optics is the fact that even though it doesn't have any NF10s or NF11s, it rides on 10mm spaces, which just makes the wheels fill the wheel arches just that little bit more. You remember some of the other videos, what we said is that it looks odd when the wheels kind of sit on the inside of the wheel arch. Here with it's now a bit flush, even though these are standard rims. If you would buy the NF10s or the NF11s, they would really fill up the wheel arches. You can see the tail tips of this monstrosity of an exhaust, and of course the heart of this monster. Maybe you want to come a little bit closer, Josh. This man, his meticulous attention to detail. Did I say that we in the desert in Dubai, and this car is clean, it's spotless. He showed me the interior. Ordered special seats as well. Come and have a look at this. The interior of this car, these very, very special bucket seats. He said to me that a lot of people said to him, why are you taking bucket seats? Why don't you take something more comfortable? He says, I'm not that old, I'm driving a supercar. It should be uncomfortable and sporty. Well, suffice to say, these seats aren't that uncomfortable. And I'm very, very excited to go out with him on a drive with this car. He said that he prefers to drive it himself because the highways here are laced with traffic cameras, and the exhaust system might just draw a little bit of attention to us. And with 830 horsepower on the rear wheels coming from that 3.9 litre twin turbocharged power upgraded V8 sitting on the rear axle, is a little bit of a handful to handle. So, without further ado, I'm going to pop into the passenger seat and see if I can keep my pants dry. So, here we go. Oh, we're going out with so much fuel in the tank. Less weight. Less weight. I'm looking forward to this. You give it the beans as much as you want. The roads here, my friend, holy cow. Yeah, lift? Yeah, I saw the but still, I kept that in mind, saying the roads are a bit crazy here. You'd never think that we'd find you here in this car in the middle of nowhere. Sandy roads, goats, cows, unbelievable. You got a lot of faith in the lift system. Yes. CT off. No, come on. Need something to wake us up. About to get on the highway, which in Germany normally means things can get a bit more exciting, but here the maximum speed limit is 120. What's really amazing is that even though it's a straight pipe, it's not droney in here. You know, it's one thing making a car loud, but then it's another thing making it sound good when it's loud, and not for it to become droney, and then on the highway you just want to rip your ears off. This sounds pretty good actually. Full beans all the time. No electronic flaps. No neighborhood friendly mode. Out the door there. So the owner said that somewhere up close there should be a tunnel, and it would be our wish to be able to squeeze the throttle ever so slightly. You know, this car sounds like in the tunnel. I think it should be mad. I feel for Josh hanging out the window with a camera. Who's going to do that in the tunnel? Holy cow, that's proper. Oh, nice. Nice. Yeah, she's tail happy. Now I know why the tires look the way they look.
I want to come back.
Yes, we can do this all day. I'm happy. No problem. Oh, when it gets the turbo upgrades, it's gonna be on fire. Oh, such a nice bend. Oh, that is proper. Holy cow. Oh, that is good. Oh, I should do this more often driving passenger. This is great. Perspective of what we're trying to achieve with these videos, it's not always that easy. You know, you watch these films and you think, oh, you know, why don't you guys do this? We want to see more of this, we want to see more of that. But it's not that easy when you want to go flybys. It's not that easy always to get these kind of shots, because you want, first of all, the most important thing is safety. You know, it's only fun as long as nobody gets hurt. Second of all, it's not just the safety of the passengers. We're talking about cost. It costs hundreds of thousands of euros, some of them over $1 million. So we have to take in all those considerations. And then there's a little other problem, which is the law. It's a good thing I checked. The microphone decided to say goodbye after recording such a long time. Alright, so I think what we're going to do now is get out and do some flybys so you guys can see what this car looks like in action, see what it sounds like from the outside, and forget about the fact that the microphone just died on the way here. See you out there.